Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. and I'm your instructor. Now, if you've been watching the Online Jewelry Academy for some time, then you'll know that I've never recommended a book. Why? Well, I can't read, but no, seriously, I haven't recommended a book, but I can tell based on reading the comments that many of you have questions about some of the techniques that I've shown in the videos. We can only include so much in these short videos, and I know that you'd benefit from some more in-depth information. Well, I highly recommend this book. What is it? Well, I don't know. It's big and it's got a lot of information in it, so it must be good. No, it's actually this. Whoops. Jewelry Concepts and Technology by Oppi Untracht. I think that's how you say his name. Anyway, he's dead. I'm not getting any kickback for this, but this book is amazing. It was published before the use of CAD and 3D printing, but everything else that you ever wanted to know about jewelry manufacturing is included in this book, including some interesting cultural references. It's available from most booksellers, including Amazon, and this is one that you really, really need next to your bench, or perhaps to prop up the sofa. Hope you like this video. Be sure to like it. Be sure to tell your friends, subscribe, check out our website, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.